Okay guys, so I'm going to give you some really important tips on your YouTube description, and this is going to really save you a ton of time. So what happens is you want to go into your default uploads here, and you want to write a description that you can put at the bottom of all your descriptions. So basically what I do when I do a video is I'll upload a video, I'll fill in a title specific to that video, I'll write description above this specific to this video, and then this will always be the same, okay? And there's a specific reason for that, and the reason is because then you can find and replace and change things all at once, okay? So this is how you can update your description on a bunch of videos at once. So for example, I just added this part here, but let's say I wanted to add this affiliate link and a little description part, and I just put that in there. Okay, so I actually haven't done this yet. I've just done it on this default upload text. But what I'll do is I'll select this text and then replace it with this one and this one. Let me show you how to do that and how much time this is going to save, because this is a ton of time. Also, I'm putting my link, if you notice this, through Hoply. And so what this does is I'm putting it through this link tracker, and I'm assigning it to a specific campaign. So I know all of my campaigns, this campaign, all of these links are in my default YouTube description. So I can go here and see how many clicks that I've gotten, and also put call to action overlays and load pixels in that. So for example, I just added this link here, and you can see that not only will it send them to the affiliate link and create curiosity because they don't see what the actual link is, but I'm actually adding some pixels here. So I'm adding my Microsoft pixel, my Quora pixel, my Twitter advertising pixel to this link. So if someone clicks on this link, I'm going to pixel them and I'm going to be able to retarget them. So I'm going to take this, and I should say I keep a Google Doc with a short version of my download text and a longer version of my download text. The reason that I have two versions is because sometimes if I put up a video, I might write a really long description if SEO is really important, and the longer description might not fit. So that's why I always have two versions. So let's see how to, I'll show you how to do this. This actually uses TubeBuddy. I'll link TubeBuddy in the description. It's a fantastic tool, and I'm gonna show you how much time it's gonna save. So I'm gonna find all the videos that have this in the description, and I'm gonna replace it with that, and then I'm gonna add this as well, because this was the link that I wanted to add, the link and the description that I wanted to add. I'm just gonna remove the space there. So now what it's gonna do is gonna find all the descriptions in my video, and all the ones that say this, find this text, is gonna replace them with the same text and essentially just add this other affiliate link. Okay, so we're gonna click continue, and then I'm gonna want to load all of my videos, click continue, and it's gonna load 500 videos. This would take an insane amount of time if you didn't have TubeBuddy. So it's something that I really, really like. And then you can just click all, and it's gonna select all of them. So it's selected 192 videos of mine that have that in the description. And I may have some older videos that don't follow this format, but that's why you wanna kind of keep to the same default upload format, so you can easily replace a link. Like what happens if an affiliate company, they change their link, right? They change affiliate programs and suddenly their link changes for all affiliates, or that affiliate program, you don't like them anymore and you find something better. Well, this is going to allow you to change it all at once. So you just click continue, and I'm going to click yes, do it, and then start, and you can see that it's changing all these videos automatically. It's even going to show you any of the ones with errors. Usually if there's an error, it's because the description was already too long, and then adding that extra text would make it too long and above the maximum character limit that YouTube allows for descriptions. But this usually goes through and does it very reliably. So that's it. I'm just going to wait for this to finish, and I'm going to have all those links now live on all of my YouTube videos. And the best part is I can go in here to Linkalytics and I can see how many clicks I've had on that link. So I can actually get a measurement of, hey, is this working? Like, are people actually clicking on this link? And then you can see I did this recently, so I can see which links are getting more clicks in my description, right? So people are interested in, let's say, the tax tips and my crypto newsletter, and they're less interested in, let's say, this free entrepreneur quiz or 12 ways to drive traffic. So that allows me to kind of adjust my marketing and come up with a way to write even better descriptions. So I hope this will help you with your YouTube career. It certainly has helped mine. I'll put a link to TubeBuddy and to Linkalytics, both of which you can get started with for free in the description. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. All right, take care.